Don't think of a pink elephant. Okay, what do you think about right now? A pink elephant, of course. Well, what does that have to do with Midjourney? I show you right now. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to show you the most overlooked parameter in Midjourney. Let's dive right in. Okay, so here we are in my Midjourney Discord, and I'm just gonna start with a simple prompt. Let's take imagine a table with lots of fruit on it. Okay, here we go. It's waiting to start. And as you can see, it's in fast mode, so it won't take long. I'm just gonna generate a table with lots of fruit on it because I want to change it later. But first let's see what Midjourney comes up with. Okay, 55, 65%. You can see your progress images right there, and it's already done. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, it's just what we wanted, just what we entered, a table with lots of fruit on it. And it's in a realistic style because we didn't put any other styles in the prompt. Okay. Now let's try a different thing. Here we see some bananas, but let's say in this case we don't like bananas. Okay, so we want to remove these from the pictures and generate new pictures. Okay, we do it like this. First we try imagine a table with lots of fruit on it, but without bananas. Okay. You could say, okay, it's a table with lots of fruit on it, but without bananas. Okay, that's easy to understand, and let's see what Midjourney comes up with. 85%. And it's done. And let's check. Okay, it's got the table with lots of fruit on it, but here we have bananas, here we have bananas, bananas, bananas. And you could say that's not what we entered. There are bananas on the table. What's wrong? I just entered a table with lots of fruit on it, but without bananas. Okay. Okay, this is where we put our new parameter in the prompt, and that's the no parameter. So I'm just gonna show you. So I type imagine a table with lots of fruit on it, and you type dash dash no bananas and just hit enter. And with this prompt, Midjourney exactly knows what you want and what you don't want. And with this no parameter, Midjourney sees that you don't want bananas in this picture. Okay, 35%, and here we go. It's always nice to see the progress images. You can also click on them. Okay. Okay, here we have the picture, and as you can see, there are absolutely no bananas in the pictures, so that's just what we wanted. And you can also modify this prompt to exclude more elements. So let's say you don't want bananas, you don't want apples, and you don't want grapes, for example. Okay, you just type imagine a table with lots of fruit on it, dash dash no bananas. Let's take apples and grapes. Okay, hit enter, and it's generating, and And it's done. Let's see. Okay, we got the table, we got the fruit. As we can see, these are just oranges, and here we also have oranges. But on the other hand, we just set lots of fruit, so it's just what we entered. Here we have various fruits, but as we can see, we typed no bananas, apples, grapes, and just what we wanted. Okay, and of course you can also combine these with other parameters and styles if you want. So let's try it. / imagine table with lots of fruit on it. / no bananas, apples, grapes, and I'm just gonna type comma vector art, and it's generating. We already see the tables and the fruit. Okay, here we go. And as you can now see, it's just what we wanted. It's a table full of fruit. It's various fruit, and there are no bananas, grapes or apples on it, and it's in the style of vector art, so you can easily vectorize it if you want. Okay, so now I want to show you where you can find this and other parameters explained. You can find it in the docs.midjourney.com website, and you just browse there and you can see this page. You just click Quick Start Guide. Okay, you see you're getting started using Discord, using website, commands, parameters and tools, and here are different parameters, and here's the no parameter that I've just talked about. And as we see it right here, the no parameter tells the Midjourney bot what not to include in your image. Okay, here it also explains -- no versus don't, because like Midjourney doesn't really know what don't means, or like without in our example, so you have to use this -- no parameter. Okay, see how we had the example at the beginning with the pink elephant? That's how Midjourney works, because it takes all the words and tries to make an image of it. So you have to use this -- no parameter to exclude something from your graphics. And here you have it, a powerful parameter to get exactly what you want and what you don't want. So give it a try. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.